Do y'all partake in threesomes?
Yes. No. No, the fuck we don't. Just the thought of a woman leaning over her and like, I ain't with that type of shit. That's just not it. So, no, bitch.
You don't want me? I feel like you don't want me on you. You got one time to say that. Because why did you say it in the first place?
In the relationship, who's the prize?
What you mean? I feel like we both are a prize in all ways.
Me.
Don't stop doing it.
What you want me to say?
Don't do that.
If Mookie is drowning and one of your children is drowning, who do you save?
I'm saving me.